Hey guys, welcome back. So I got some PR from Glam. Now I was not expecting two little containers, but the first one that I'm unboxing and showing y'all actually surprised me. So once I get open, you'll see what I'm talking about. I actually did not know that Glam offers, what do you call it? Like Swatch sticks. It even got their name on it. So Glam, I'm gonna have to like re-swatch all my polishes from them, so like my swatches can have their name on there, and it just be much easier to like recognize which swatches is what. But anyways, I only own Glam polishes, but for the most part, yeah, I like this, and this is really cute. Hopefully I'll be able to get some more of these. Don't mind my ashy hands, y'all. We're not worrying about that, but for the most part, yeah, I usually actually use stilettos, but because I rarely like swatch gel polish, but for the most part, I only own stiletto swatch sticks. But these short square ones definitely would save, especially if you have like smaller bottles and stuff like that. But this next package I'm unboxing, y'all, this is their September collection. This is the Labor Luxe collection. As y'all know, in September we have Labor Day, so we are like kind of finally transitioning over from summer being over to it being fall, because I think fall starts like September 22nd, if I'm not mistaken. But for the most part, when September rolls around, it's basically fall officially. August, sometimes it still feels like summer to some people. But yeah, y'all, this collection actually really, really cute. What I have noticed is Glam does come out with collections that they have like glitters and solid colors to match each other. So I did try to arrange them in like matchy order besides the last four. But for the most part, we got a little bit of pink, purple, blue, and then a nude. My favorite one probably would be, I can't remember which one it was, but I'm gonna show y'all in the end, because I'm gonna do a little simple cute manicure with it. But for the most part, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these and let y'all enjoy this.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well, I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
attention, pray and listen, hear your Father. These lies they told are so familiar. They will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage. King will heal you before him, adore him. He will give you everything. Come and take your wedding, going back to what I used to know.
All right, so here's what the colors are looking like. I did arrange them in like, what matches like perfectly with each other with the glitter to the solid color. So there's a total of 8 colors, 4 solids, and then 4 glitters. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and pick one of the polishes. We're gonna do a cute, simple nail set. So I chose Career Pink. Now, although I'm a purple girl, well, I think Career Pink gives off purple vibes, but for the most part, what I'm gonna be doing is basically working on my like gel X game. I am gonna be taking some full cover tips from Temu, and then I'm gonna go ahead, pick my sizes out, and apply them. And what you will see that I didn't notice while filming is I picked up a top coat instead of a base coat. So I did leave it in just to show y'all that it's easy to make mistakes because I wasn't reading the bottle correctly. I thought I was picking up Madam Glam's base coat, but I picked up their top coat. And so once I get to clipping my nails and stuff like that, y'all gonna see that they easily pop off. And I should have noticed that they were that it was top coat, because once I was going in under the lamp and curing it, y'all, if you don't know and you have tried it, if you use top coat, you will experience a major heat spike when doing this, which I didn't realize until I was cutting them down. But that was the reason why I was experiencing such a heat spike. But for the most part, and I'm gonna literally hold it up to the camera and show y'all what I used, not realizing that it was top coat. So yeah, y'all, enjoy this, and I'm gonna come back in once I properly get the correct ones done. Alright, so after mistakenly using top coat, you're gonna see what I mean, because as I'm like clipping them down, they're gonna literally pop off. And that's when I came to realize that I didn't use the correct product. And so literally all I had to do was just bend them and they will pop off. So yeah, just be careful when you're using products. Now this is the correct product. I use base coat to adhere, and they work perfectly fine. I did go, very, very short. I just wanted something not necessarily natural, but more natural looking. This is like a short, medium length. I am just going to be doing one basic color and just showing y'all and doing minimum to no nail art. But for the most part, I think I'm using my drill at a 4,000 RPMs. I'm just gonna lightly like seal the cuticle. Even though this is a pop off, I'm just gonna lightly just prep it so the gel polish has something to adhere to. But overall, I'm loving this collection from Madam Glam. Usually Madam Glam comes out with collections every month. Next month will be October, so my best guess is they're probably gonna be doing something Halloween related. If you don't know, I don't do Halloween nails, so I do more than likely I'll be doing like breast cancer awareness nails, pinks, and all that stuff. Or hopefully they'll come out and switch it up, and do a breast cancer awareness collection. I think last year, if I'm not mistaken, that's what they did, and hopefully they'll do something similar like that once again. But yeah, y'all. Today's nail set is really, really simple. A basic manicure. I'm just only using one color and just displaying that. I will be getting back to doing like more fall nails soon. Haven't really been having the time to like sit down and do my usual 3XL length, but for the most part, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and check out Madam Glam. I do have a discount code. I think it's Bri Creations 35 if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, until next time, bye.
By this hope we have been saved, but who can praise God from the grave? So we will rise up on that day, glorifying your name above all names. I need him each moment. I have come to know the peace that he bestows deep down in my soul. In every moment, surrounded all alone, when no creation groans, I will sing of instead of the changing, it's making me better. I'm turning a new thing, it's making me stronger. Yeah, yeah. Christ is in my life, for I'm good. Yeah. Christ is in my life, for I'm good. Yeah. Ooh, wow, I can understand. You're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but until you. Till my soul and couldn't see why. Hold my hand high, cause you see I. And now I'm better, I'm better. No longer what I used to be, better, better. It's making me better. I'm turning a new thing. It's making me stronger, yeah, yeah. Christ is in my life, for I'm good, yeah. Christ is in my life, for I'm good, yeah. I'm good, 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 I'm good. Ayo, he said that he will never change, and he never changed. He remains the same every single day. Yesterday. I gotta say I'm in the mood for a little bit more.